How to write a summary. Step-by-step guide. Title page of summary. Title page of summary of article varies from university to university. You will be writing a summary of a peer-reviewed research article. You must include a separate title page that includes your instructor's name, section, time or day the class meets, your name, student ID hash. The first paragraph of summary is about state the purpose of study, independent variable, dependent and mediator used in research article. It is important to note that the paper must be typed, double-spaced, and have 1-inch margins on all sides. It should be a minimum of 300 words. Article title must be written at the top of paragraph 1. Article title is Gesturing gives children new ideas about math. The purpose of this study was to show how gesture can enhance math performance. It was an experimental research study that looked at how gesture affects children's learning of math, particularly addition. The independent variable was gesture with 3 different conditions: gesture, no gesture, and partial gesture. The dependent variable of the study was the difference between pre- and post-test scores on a math task. The mediator variable was the speech being used during the lesson. The second paragraph is about what the article was about. The lesson was where the independent variable changed. Participants were brought in for the study and were first given a demographics worksheet. Once their demographics were determined, they were given a pretest to be aware of prior knowledge. Once the pretest was graded, a lesson was given either with gesture that was grouping through 2 fingers, no gesture, or a partial gesture which was just pointing. Once the lesson on the math was given, the post-test was given. The experimenters then determined a difference from pre- to post-test scores. The third paragraph of summary is about what the study found. The major conclusion to this study was that the gesturing condition showed higher math scores than the partially correct, which was higher than the no gesture condition, showing that the gesturing actually aided in the child remembering the math task by using their body to perform it. The fourth paragraph of summary is about your opinion of the study. However, in this study there was no speech within the lesson. The only speech used was, "This side is equal to the other side." This was the only speech used within the lesson. Since this was the only speech, the lesson was highly dependent on the use of the gestures, which in my opinion could be questionable. The questions arise: should gesture be tested with more verbal instruction? Does the gesture give the same effect? One may also ask, does this relate to older or younger kids who are learning a different type of math? The references page of summary contains references of those sentences which you mention in summary and make it short, and also cite references of research article which is given to you to make summary, which is titled, Gesturing gives children new ideas about math. So you will also cite the references of research article in APA format. You will need a complete reference page for your article. This can be done in APA style. You will need a copy of the first page of the peer-reviewed article you chose after the reference page. Research article page 1 and 2 for idea, and you have to get idea, that is how I have written the sentences for summary. So you can download the article from Google Scholar by giving title of research article, which is written by Golden Meadow, S. Cook, S.W., and Mitchell, Z.A. 2009. Gesturing gives children new ideas about math. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.